Okay, guys, we're going to be doing stiff leg barbell deadlift, okay? So I'm going to go over the mechanics real quick before we perform the lift. Feet shoulder width apart, okay? Biggest thing here is you're hinging at the hips. So when you're going down, you're going to be pushing your hips out, okay? And keeping your knees slightly bent. You don't want them ever straight. You want them slightly bent, okay? You're going to go out. Really going to get a stretch here. You're getting a stretch on the hamstrings and the glutes, okay? You're going to go up, squeeze your butt, down 1, 2, 3, up. Notice how I'm keeping my knees slightly bent. I'm never straight. So let's do that here. Okay. Shoulder width apart. Hands are going to be slightly outside your legs. Okay. You're going to lift it up first. Okay, here we go. Throw those hips out. Keep the bar close to your body the whole time. Get a good stretch and then up. Squeeze your butt. 1, 2, 3, up. You'll really fill in the hamstrings. 1, 2, 3, up. And then keeping your abs tight the whole time. Notice how the bar is close to my body. I'm not out here. I'm close to my body, center of gravity. Up. 1, 2, 3. That's the stiff leg barbell deadlift.